All right, $780 price target is a street high, as you guys have been pointing out. And just to put it in perspective, the average analyst target price currently monitored by analysts over at FactSet is $406. So just to give you an idea of just how much Tesla has run up. But take a look at some of the driving forces behind that Goldman upgrade. First of all, they are talking about the battery adoption side of things accelerating. That's a key point for that upgrade and that move to $780. Also, their energy and self-driving business, positive catalyst there. And a big key one there, margin expansion expected in the future as well. So that's the Goldman call on Tesla. It's not the only notable call we've seen. There have been a lot of bullish commentary coming out of these particular analysts, again, on Tesla. Adam Jonas, back on November 18th over at Morgan Stanley, said Tesla is on the verge of a profound model shift from selling cars to generating high-margin recurring software and services revenue. Overweight rating at Morgan Stanley. The next one, a little earlier on, Alexander Potter over, Piper Sandler on October 21st. After solid execution in the third quarter, Tesla still deserves a must-own status. So positive commentary there. And then to kind of round it out with something a little bit more negative, this is Rajvindra Gill over at Needham, basically on October 12th saying, we've never seen a stock rise that much that fast with such little regard to past fundamentals, if you're looking for a little bit of balance with regard to the views. Now, again, to start the year, Tesla was roughly a $75 billion company. Back here, $75 billion, and we just showed you near $550 billion market caps now. And just to put some of that in perspective, if you look at the biggest companies in the S&P 500, which Tesla will be at one point in just the next few weeks, you take a look at Apple, you take a look at, say, Microsoft, you take a look at Amazon, those particular moves there, to put it in context, Apple, $2.1 trillion, Microsoft, $1.6 trillion, Amazon, $1.6 trillion, Tesla would be roughly the number 6 stock in the S&P 500 if it were to go in today. So, Carl, an interesting look at that big Goldman call. There could be more upside ahead if anything happens here with some of these big calls, but still, caution abounds when it comes to a stock that's run that fast. Remember, Carl, $75 billion was the market value to end last year. $550 billion now. It's been a huge ride.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.